There was once a man by the name of Yitzchak. Yitzchak grew up as an orphan, as a yatom. As you know, living a life of a yatom as an orphan, it ain't too easy. But this young boy grew up, after many years, grew up to be a young, well-versed, scholarly individual. It came time for shidduchim, and as you know, today, shidduchim, it ain't too easy. Finally, after a couple of days, weeks, months, years of dating many girls, he finally found the right one. Mazal tov! He was so happy, his simcha was on a different level. But it only lasted until after the engagement. Holding only a couple of weeks until the wedding, Yitzchak felt downtrodden, distraught, feeling with anxiety, feeling upset. His friends looked at him and said, Yitzchak, you look down, how can we help? He told them, guys, we're going to have to cancel the wedding. It ain't happening. I don't have enough money, the proper amount of money I need to get married. We're just going to have to cancel. I'm sorry. They look at him, they say, Yitzchak, who are your friends? What do friends do? We help. We're going to help you collect the complete sum. But the days and the weeks went by, and they still did not even come close to the full amount needed. Feeling upset, distraught, frustrated, Yitzchak said, the only place I'm going to go to is the place that's open 24/7, open for tefillot. This is the Kotel HaMa'aravi, the Kaisel HaMa'aravi. Not closed, ever. He walks there, touches the stones, starts to cry out to Hashem, and he says, Hashem, my father, please, the only person I can put my full faith and trust in, help me get married, is you, Hashem. I believe in you completely, wholeheartedly. After a couple of minutes of davening, he feels a tap on his shoulder. Turns around. Man tells him, hi, can I be of help to you? Looks at him, he says, no. Continues to pray. After a couple of minutes again, he feels another tap on his shoulder. The same man is waiting there. Can I please help you? How can I be of help? Finally, he tells him, he says, fine. He tells him his entire story. He's a chatan, going to be married soon. He doesn't have the full sum of money he needs to get married. Man tells him, what? No way! Wow! Hashem orchestrated this event that we should meet. He's like, looks at him, confused. What are you talking about? Man tells him, just today, I had a court case, and right before the case, this big case of mine, I told Hashem, I said, God, if I win the case and come out triumphant, victorious, I'm going to help out the first individual I meet completely, wholeheartedly. And you're the first person I met. Takes out his checkbook, writes out a full check for the amount needed for the wedding. Wow. The prophet Yirmiyahu and Avi tells us as follows, Baruch HaGever asher yiftach b'Hashem. Blessed is the person who puts his full faith and trust within God. Yirmiyahu is telling us a sod, a secret. You want to merit the full blessing of Hashem, of God? Put your full faith and full trust within Him.
Tell me I'm an angel up high, leaving all my worries behind, raising from the darkest of times.